Brilliant the way they put it together. Would you want to ride it? Not on your Nelly. I wouldn't, but you couldn't pay me enough to be sat up there. This is such a spectacular looking soapbox. And Oscar steers it through the water. So far, so good. But you can see how reluctant he is to really let this soapbox go, because he's perched up there precariously. And the front of that motorcycle is just starting to wobble about. Oh, he's going to lose it! He's lost it! Oh, my word! He was just about to stand on the seat, I think, and start to entertain the crowd that way. Watch this, he's just about to get up there, and then he's hanging on, and then he's off. There's the on-board, and that's why we have the straw. They're aerospace engineers, so they should know a thing or two about putting something together, and we see it flex again, and that might just stop those wheels from buckling. The fact that it moves from side to side is going to take a bit of the weight off. So Ghislaine is the driver. Aurélien is on board as well. And look at it, leaning, taking the weight off, making it easier to control. This is a wonderful design, brilliant creativity. This is a team that's come to make a mark today, and they're flying down the course. They've got the berm now. If they can get around this berm, there's nothing really to stop them, you know. And it leans and it moves around and it flexes, and the flex team is flying, and look at that! The wheel bouncing around the corner, perfectly put together, over the final kicker. It's all about the time. This is wonderful. Brilliant run, 54.06. And they designed it so well. Everything worked brilliantly. They've set a wonderful time. They were creative, and that was wonderful. And it worked to perfection. Nice and colourful. They're from a dance group called Suktinis. And we'll see how they do today. So Gitautas is the pilot. And we're all right so far. He's gone very, very low in the berm, but got away with it. He's happy with himself there. There's the water spout! Look at him at the back! Oh, my word! That's one of the most spectacular offs since the Dam Busters in London all those years ago. Look at him at the back! Oh, my word! Down towards the finish. How